Attackers deliberately create fake search results to trick users into clicking malicious links. The user believes they're downloading a legitimate installer. Nothing happens. The installer looks broken. But this isn't a failure. Malicious code has just started running. Saved credentials and browser profiles, including those from Google Chrome, are immediately accessed. Credentials stored in the operating system are stolen as well. The attacker can now impersonate the victim. These stolen accounts can be used to send phishing emails, abuse administrative privileges, and spread malware or ransomware. All of this can happen within just a few minutes. ShieldNet Defense continuously monitors system activity. It detects suspicious behavior, not just malware files. AI automatically analyzes the incident and builds a clear timeline. All findings are presented in a single centralized interface, the ShieldNet Defense portal. The system recommends actions to terminate malicious processes and contain the threat. AI-powered tools analyze the malware family and assess its reputation. The malicious file is quarantined and disabled. The alert is resolved, documented, and closed. ShieldNet Defense stops attacks early before real damage begins.